I have sent bulk WhatsApp messages to 1000 plus contacts, and do you think that I've done this manually? A big no. I have simply used Pabbly Chatflow to send these bulk WhatsApp messages, and you know the best part, that right now we're offering a free trial, so you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free. So let's see how to do this. For that, just open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is powered by official WhatsApp Business Cloud API, and we are an official Meta tech provider. So the chances of your number getting blocked gets very less when you use Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so in order to activate the free trial, you have to click on the sign up for free button and your free trial will be started. Then you just have to log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. You have to make sure that you have added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you haven't added till now, you're going to find a detailed tutorial in the description box below. You can refer to that and learn how you can add your WhatsApp number. Once you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and then click on this add broadcast button right over here in the top right corner. And when you click on this add broadcast button, it is going to first ask you for the broadcast type. Select it as broadcast campaign only. For the broadcast name, enter the name of your broadcast. So I'm just going to enter it as new leads right over here. Now it is asking me for the audience. Over here, you can upload a CSV file in order to select the audience to whom you want to send this WhatsApp message. Apart from that, you can create contact list inside Pabbly Chatflow and then simply select the same contact list right over here. If you want to learn how to create contact list, you can go on this contact section and you can create from there very simply. If you want a detailed tutorial on contacts or any other section of Pabbly Chatflow, we have that in the description box below. You can refer to that. You just have to create a contact list and select the contact list right over here. You can select multiple contact lists too, either, or you can also select a single contact list. Apart from that, over here it is asking you to exclude some contact list. So if you want to exclude some contact list, you can simply select the contact list you wish to exclude, and same goes for the specific contacts to whom you want to do not send this WhatsApp message. Okay, now we have this feature which is exclude contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window. So what is this? So let's say I'm chatting with a user and I've scheduled this broadcast and it is coming in between while I'm chatting with the user. So that sounds really like how this broadcast is coming. It's a very reductant message, right? For that, you can simply switch on this button if you want to avoid such situations. I'm just going to keep it as switch on. That is asking me for the message types. You have two options. You can go for a pre-approved template message or a regular message. So when you go for a pre-approved template message, you first have to create a template, then wait till Meta approves your template, and then only you can select the template right over here. Apart from that, if you go for a regular message, you can directly go on this regular message button. You can select the message type and enter the message right over here. Let's say I want to send this message. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this message right from here and paste it right over here. And yes, I do not have to wait till Meta approves this message or something like that. I can directly move on further and send this. So as you can see, I've simply entered it right over here. And now in this message, if I want to bold some text, I can add stars in the starting and in the end of the text which I want to bold. Apart from that, if you want to do some another formatting, you can do it right over here. That is saying contact name and the mobile number. So why is it asking me for this? So what happens is, before sending this bulk WhatsApp messages to 1000 plus contacts, you can simply test it yourself once. You can simply enter your own name and your own mobile number and click on this send test message button, so that you receive the WhatsApp message and you verify it if it is correct or not. So as you can see, yes, it is correct right over here, and I feel yes, I can send it to all the contacts. Then I can move on further and schedule it. In order to send it to all the contacts, I have two options. I can schedule it for later or send instantly. So if I wish to send instantly, I can go on this no send instantly button and then add button. If I want to schedule it for later, I can go on this yes schedule for later button and choose the date and time from this calendar. Let's say I want to schedule it for 31st of August 1 p.m. So I'm just going to select the same date and time. The next is this automatically retry for failed contacts. So let's say you have a total of 1000 contacts in your list and to 900 the messages sent, but to 100 or to 150 the messages not sent. Then what is going to happen is, you do not have to create another broadcast to send those messages to them. You can just simply switch on this button which is going to automatically retry for that failed contacts. You can select the number of retries and also the wait between the retries. The minimum wait is 12 hours and the maximum is 72 hours, and the maximum number of retries is 3 right over here. You can set this according to your own choice and then click on this add button. I'm just going to switch it off right over here. Now click on this add button. Now you can see once again you have to click on this add broadcast button, and yes, this broadcast name is already in use, it is saying. Okay, if you also find such error, you can simply edit the broadcast name and click on this add broadcast button once again. And as you can see, yes, now this broadcast is scheduled successfully for this date and time. Once this broadcast is sent, then I can go and view the stats of the broadcast too. What I can do is I can go on this view stats and see how many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. So like this, we have successfully learned how to send bulk WhatsApp messages to 1,000 plus customers like this without any manual intervention. So go and try this, because right now you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free, because we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. And if you like Pabbly Chatflow, don't forget this amazing discount coupon code, which is my discount coupon code RATYT. It can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, don't forget to purchase the subscription plan if you like Pabbly Chatflow. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.